Hi guys, we are heading to Naivasha. You can see you can see the view. Somebody is messing me up here. Say hi, Talia.
Hi. Hello, welcome back to my channel. What's this? Water floor. Hello.
It's a little dark. The view is very, very nice. As you can see the forest. The place is very green. And the people here are overtaking like something else. Just see, we can see the lake Naivasha there. And the clouds are very, very nice. As you can see.
That's Mount Kenya.
At this side there is Mount Roganot, yeah.
Is that Mount Kenya?
No, Mount Roganot. Wow.
Somebody's back.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We are here in Kenya. But we are heading to Kinago. And now, first we're going to pass by Pizza Inn right there. So let's go. Let's get some pizza.
So you can see the view is very nice. This is the place. Tadia, say hi. Say something. Hmm?
Hi. Are you shy?
Are you shy, Tadia? Are you shy?
Can I get ice? That's not by the way, can I get some ice cream?
So hi guys, we are in Pizza Inn now. So we are ordering some pizza. They have some offer. If you order this medium pizza, you can get 3 of them for 1800. As you can see, this is the place. So here is the pizza. We bought 3 pieces. Is it 3 pieces or 3 boxes? So the kids are there. They are washing their hands. It seems like it's gonna rain. If you can see, the clouds are very dark. So we'll try to move as fast as possible. The people, hello, you're enjoying the pizza? Yeah. Adi, say hi.
Hey guys, this is some hot pizza over here.
Guys, raining now. I don't know how we're gonna go to the car because it's really raining hard.
We are eating pizza when it's raining.
We are enjoying pizza when it's raining the outside. Taya!
Cheers guys, we're drinking Fanta first.
See the wind is so tough there. Oh my god. Yeah, see?
The wind's opening the door.
Oh yeah. See? The wind is opening the door.
Cheers guys.
Guys, it's raining.